morning traders, and welcome to your technical analysis here. First of all, we have the pound yen. So in regards to the pound yen, we're looking to a fall to the next support level, and I'll just pay attention to the rectangle here in green, the large one, and we're targeting 141 as a take profit area. So where it currently is at is a bit of a point of interest, and we'd suggest that we are short biased on this pair, and we're targeting down here, which is a clean 141 level, and it's respected this level before. Several touches, we've seen rallies multiple times. Didn't quite touch there, but it did get to the support line as well. So 141 is something we're looking to target here. So where it currently is at, we'd be looking at to play down to there. So again, nice risk to reward ratio, and it's still got a little bit of room to go to the take profit as well. But we did call this earlier out with the rectangle here at 142.47. So that's representing nearly 150 pips as well. So nice trade if you're still in it, and if you're still holding it, we suggest down to 141. So we've got about 40 pips to go or so until it gets to there. All right, USD Yen. So these next three, so the pound yen, USD yen, and the euro US dollar, are forecasts that haven't quite eventuated yet or come true. So we ask just, give it a little bit more patience to play out. We've still got a little bit of potential in the pound yen and also the USD yen as well. USD yen is also a sell trade as well. All right, here we go. All right, so it's still playing out here. And where price is currently at, we'd like to target the rectangle here, and then we might see a bounce. So it's important to pay attention to the take profits, because we sell off resistance lines or resistance areas, and then it will rally down after confirmation to a support level. So you've got to be quick, you've got to be paying attention. So take note of these areas as well. So the rectangle here represents around 109.69. All right, so we're still waiting for the USD yen to play out with the sell trade. So it actually rallied pretty strongly. The US dollar did catch some bids, and if you got in on our recommendation, congratulations. So continue to hold. We've got a little bit more downside potential on that one as well. Euro US dollar. Alright, so the Euro US dollar as well is a sell trade. So as you can see, rectangle was hit as we were calling that out in that resistance level that it found, and we're playing all the way down to 109 and 68. So just down to that rectangle here, guys. Alright, so the entry was up here at 99.37. So around 100 pips. Again, nice tight stop loss. It really did, respect it, and we might see a little bit of a bounce off this support line here, which is around 109.565, and then continued selling off into 0.9068. So that's Euro US dollar. So all these three trades were called out earlier in the chat. Again, link is in the description section for that as well, so feel free to subscribe to that. Daily chart analysis is available on that as well. So, because things are a little bit dynamic in the day, so we continue to update so everyone can be informed on when things are presenting as a trade. All right, so the next one here, guys, is the pound, and this one here, we're suggesting a buy from 1.297. So I'll go down all the way down to here. All right, so it's still selling off a little bit as well, guys. So it's something to pay attention to. And the US dollar, it ended the week strong, but again, we'd like to see some more selling off before we'd recommend a buy trade on the pound US dollar. So it's still playing out here a little bit, but again, we wait for the price action to offer some confirmation, and then we go from there. So as you can see, it's sort of hovering. It's broken through the resistance level, and then it's sold off some more. So if you are in this trade short, congratulations, and we'd like to just continue to play out. But this was actually a winning trade as well, so it did hit the level that we were pursuing as well. So Still a little bit more downside potential though to the next support level down to 129.7 as well. But if you're still holding it now, would probably be the time to take some profits, see what it does. If it wants to continue selling off, or if it wants to rally, you just want to wait and see. But definitely protect that equity as well whenever you can. Alright, so we'll go to gold next as well. Alright, so gold, it's continuing to show some strength as well. The trend is present upwards, and where we currently are at, we'd be looking to target. Go back to gold. Sorry about that. We'd be looking to target 1594. So entry around 66 or so, or 62 in fact. So we can see a little bit more selling off here, and then 1562 would be an entry, and we'd be buying up until 1594 as well. So we're seeing our price at a support line. We've got a trend as well. Also, risk is still somewhat off in the markets as well with the coronavirus. The severity is still, it's not weakening, and it's not, really a miracle is going to have to happen for things to clear up soon. So this week again, sentiment, you could say really leading into it would be, you'd be leaning towards risk off. So gold, uncertainty, that's another catalyst you can add to a rally as well. So that's going to help the trade as well. All right, USD CAD. Right, USD CAD is a potential sell trade as well. So we'd be looking for, as the lines indicate here, guys, we'll be looking for selling off until the 132 level, or just below 131.985. So it's at a support line, it's bounced. Now this is a strong resistance level, and there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of momentum upwards, but the bull's going to have to make a decision, and you want to wait for confirmation, but we're suggesting from 133 we'll be down to 132 or so. So over 100 pips there. Again, tight stop loss in play. Think about risk management as well. You want a tight stop loss, and you want to be making a lot more than you're risking as well. Alright guys, so just to recap, we've got the pound yen, the sell trade still playing out. USD yen, it's a sell trade playing out. Euro US dollar, it's a sell trade playing out. And then the pound, that was a successful trade as well. So that was a buy from support at 129.7 on the pound. So if you took that, congrats. And then gold, this is a new forecast. So we're looking for a support play off 1562. The trend is growing on this, and we want to wait for the price to get back to the support level of 1562, and we'd be buying and then holding until 1594. And then USD CAD is a sell trade from 133.8, and we're targeting 132. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now, and happy trading.